She want break up with her boyfriend cause of me. She'll only me when she wants.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this look. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys are feeling it. It's really easy, very simple. I feel like you can rock this with pretty much anything, and you know, I feel like you can wear this during the daytime without looking, you know, crazy, and also pull it off at night, you know. So I just want to show you guys how to make this, you know, brown, sultry, smoky eye, you know, cat eyes for the gods, because well, why not? I hope the video is simple enough, and I hope it's easy to follow along. Anyways, let me know what you think about the look in the comment section, and if you haven't already subscribed, just before we jump into this video, just make sure to hit that subscribe button. Yeah, yes, you. Yeah, just subscribe. Thank you. And yeah, with that being said, let's just jump right into the video. I'm gonna start by hydrating my face. I like to use the No Poreblem by Prime Essence. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Master Prime Blur and Smooth from Maybelline, and this was a glow starter from Glam Glow. Ooh, it smells good. It smells good. It smells so good. I'm gonna apply my Maybelline Superstay foundation, and I use shade 356, which is Warm Coconut. I'm gonna spritz some of my Mario Badescu setting spray just on a blending sponge, and I'm just gonna work the foundation in. To contour my face, I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer, which is almost finished. And then I'm also going to be using my Fenty Beauty Matchstix in Expresso. I don't feel like I deserve your love, baby. You know they be like, say I deserve your love, mama. I want to make sure my eye makeup comes out perfectly, so I'm going to be using some tape, okay? Okay, so one side's taped. For today's eye look, I'm just going to be using two palettes. I will be using Festival, and this is by I don't know how to say that. Just going to be using the two colors at the bottom. It's just going to be like a dark brown makeup, so I'll be using this and this as well, and then I just need a black eyeshadow as well, which it doesn't have, so I'm gonna be reaching into my Morphe. I believe this is the 35M palette. Oh, this palette is gorgeous. I feel like I need to use you more, okay? And I'm just gonna be using the black just at the very end. I'm gonna start with the dark brown. I'm just gonna dust that towards the, what do you call this? Towards the end of my eyes. What do you call it? The outer V area. And I'm taking it into the crease as well. So, as you can see, we already have, you know, that nice cat eye-ish look, and we haven't even started. So, we're gonna take this a little further towards the middle. Just keep going. I think this color is so beautiful. I think I'm actually just gonna use it all over my lids. I'm gonna switch over to a flat brush, and I'm gonna be using the same shadow, and I'm just gonna take that onto my lid, my eyelids. This palette, by the way, the colors are pigmented. It reminds me of like Juvia's Place. I haven't really heard much about this, you know, cosmetic line, the Pure, whatever it's called. But the eyeshadows are very interesting. There's very little fallout. There's actually a bit of fallout, but very minimal. And the colors are epic. I'm gonna reach in again into the same palette, but I'm gonna go in with the lighter brown, reddish brown, this one. I'm just gonna take that, you know, above the crease, you know, just kind of blend that area out. I think this is actually one of the most simple looks I've done. You don't really need much, just a little bit of patience and blending. I'm gonna go back into the dark brown. Actually, they have names. The dark brown is called All Night. And I'm just gonna go in again. I'm gonna take that all over my lid. Okay, I'm gonna go in again with the lighter brown. Just take that into the crease again. Okay, now we're gonna switch to a smaller blending brush. And I'm just gonna go into the Morphe palette, and I'm gonna go in with the black. And I'm just gonna take that just to my outer V. Just gonna smoke it up a little. Okay, so I'm just taking the black. I'm just gonna act like I'm trying to line my eyes a little bit. So I'm just taking that along the outer V and just straight down to, you know, the lowest point of my lid. Hey guys, my camera died, so I just quickly finished up this eye so you can see what we're going for. We're going for a nice brown, smoky, grungy eye-ish look. I'm just gonna blend that black shadow, and I'm just taking that into the crease as well, or just slightly above the crease. Okay, and then I'm gonna take an actual black liner. I'm gonna line my lids, and I'm gonna make sure it's a little thicker than I usually do, just so it's, you know, very visible. I'm gonna go into the reddish brown, and I'm just gonna take that above the crease. That's way too much. Okay, and I'm gonna go in one last time with the same black eyeshadow. And I'm just gonna take the same shadow just over my eyeliner. I'm just gonna apply All Night, the dark brown. Okay, so I think we're almost done with the eyes. I am just going to apply some color to my brow bone. I think I'm going to reach into the Morphe palette again, and I'm going to use this for my brow bone. I'm going to go ahead and apply the same brow bone color to my inner tear duct. I'm going to move into mascara. I'm going to be applying, I believe this is the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara. I'm gonna go into my sleek contour kit, and I don't have an angled brush. I'm missing mine. Actually, I think it broke, so I'm just gonna use a regular, this is actually a foundation brush, but I just kind of like, you know, press it and use it to contour. Okay guys, as you can see, we're looking already pretty. I'm just gonna spritz my Badescu setting spray. This is basically my absolute favorite. You know, it's just like cooking a turkey. You know, you season it, you know, like let it marinate, and this, you know, does all the marinating for you. So, oh, you know, let us soak in. To highlight my face, I'm gonna be using the Royalty one by Juvia's Place. This highlighter is intense, and you just need a little bit goes a long way with this one. Woo. I feel like I want to apply some blush today. I feel like it's gonna really tie in everything, and I'm gonna go into, I think this is it's called Alama Cosmetics. It's pretty much 3 brushes in one palette. There you go. Let's try the peach one. It's called Seclusion. For lipstick, I'm going to be using the Power Duo. I'm going to be using Sassy, and this is from the Colourpop and E.l.f collaboration. It's been sitting around. I thought it was best to use it today. And then I'm going to be going in also with the Fenty Beauty, everyone's favorite red lipstick. This is called Uncensored. Yep. I'm going to start with Sassy, just because it's darker. And then I'm going to go in with Uncensored. I like to use a brush just to kind of like mat it out a bit. Okay guys, so this is pretty much the end of the makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I really love the look. I feel like it's a little bit different from the makeup I've been wearing recently. I've been really sticking to like neutrals and like nudes, and I'm like, you know what the heck? How about some color? It's a nice gradual step into the whole smoky situation without, you know, using, you know, as much black and like messing it up. It's really easy, fairly simple. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Let me know what you think about this look. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!